Do you want to make your edits feel like a real camera snap? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a camera flash zoom reveal in CapCut Mobile. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. Step number 1 is to open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Import the photo or video you want to edit and add it to the timeline. Step number 2 is to find animation button below. Once you click it, you will see a lot of options. Go to search bar and search for camera flash. After you enter, you can see a lot of options. Choose and select the one that you need in your video. Once you have selected the animation, you can now adjust its duration in the slide below. For the final step before exporting, watch your video from beginning to the end and check for adjustments. And that's how you create a camera flash zoom reveal in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.